Here's the top 5 reasons why I chose high-ticket affiliate marketing. Number 1, work from home opportunities are in really high demand. Affiliate marketing has been around since 1989, and since 2020, it has grown exponentially. You're also not tied to a particular product or company. It has nothing to do with team building. You basically find something you're passionate about and you promote it. Number 2, you can leverage free digital platforms. I mean social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. There's so many out there and you don't have to start with any followers. I have seen beginners make thousands of dollars a month because of how they're promoting it on the free digital platforms that we are all already on. However, high ticket means each sale gives you potentially $500 to $1,000 in commission, so running an ad might also be very financially beneficial. Number 3, you can partner with proven and reputable brands. This is not going anywhere, and it's a way to make money by not having to be responsible for shipping the products, creating the products, advertising the products. One of the companies I partnered with even does all the follow-up for you. Number 4, location freedom. As long as you have Wi-Fi and a laptop or a phone, you can work from wherever you want. Number 5, you can leverage automated systems. There's so many out there. That means that your time is not connected to your income and you can scale. That's passive income. If you're ready to learn, follow me and go to the link in my bio.